Hi there, this is Carolina, and today we're going to know about the 4-hour body diet, which is also known as the slow carb diet, created by Tim Ferriss, who boasts that it's rapid weight loss in a short period of time. So, what foods are included? Basically, vegetables, meat, poultry, fish, eggs, beans, nuts, and seeds, healthy oils. The foods to avoid would be like carbohydrates, high calorie beverages, trans fat, sugar, processed food, and fruits. And what are the pros? The author is very motivational and encouraging. So the meal plan is straightforward and simple, and it encourages muscle building and fat loss. But what are the cons? Basically, it's based on personal experimentation and might not work for everyone. But that's known. Every diet is not for everyone. And then the con also is low carbohydrate approach may not work for some. So, the 4-hour body approach is about sticking to slow carb guidelines to achieve optimal results. And this means that eating foods that break down slowly in the body instead of quick release foods that cause your energy to spike then crash. One of the things that I also mentioned is that the first meal should be within 1 hour of waking and include at least 30 grams of protein. And 1 day per week is a cheat day when anything goes and indulging is encouraged. Sounds fun in a way, but I don't know. Tim recommends drinking a glass of grapefruit juice before each meal on the cheat day and doing a round of air squats within 1 hour of every cheat meal. And he claims that the cheat days combined with light exercise prevents fat gain by redirecting calories to muscles. So, if you've tried the 4-hour body diet, please let me know if you like it or not. Thank you.